Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button. If you find any kind of value, make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on a daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it a simple, short, and make it as fast as possible. So as you can see right here, we do have 1 inch token with the Tether US dollar. Basically, 1 inch is sitting at price of around $3.66. Basically 67. Yeah, we're really close to that, but yeah, overall today we are down nearly 8 cents, or approximately 2.10% to the downside. As you can see, these are my two predictions, and I really could not think what will be happening next. I just know that we're going to be doing a retest right here. Since we did not surpass this any highs, I think that we're going to be continue pushing to the downside, get a perfect solid opportunity here to buy. Every time it dips, it will be another buy. But this we have a second scenario. We can see that if it goes down and pushes back up, because we're in a clear downtrend, we validated these highs, but we never validated this. I think that we're going to be pushed to the upside and then go up. We will see what will be happening. The time will tell everything, and we can just range. Nobody knows. I may be wrong into these two predictions, but I'm more kind of into the first one, or right here. Or also we can just happen this. We will see what will be happening with that, but the answer will be, at this point of view, just wait 1 to 3 days, maybe 4, even a week. We'll see what will be happening with the price action. If you see a clear break to the upside, a lot of opportunity for you guys to buy. If you want to test out the waters, be into the, I don't know, into the right, just game right now with 1/5, 1/4, 1/3 of your money, and you will be good. So this is basically it. If you want to support the channel, just smash the like button. It will help me a lot. And if you want to earn some free cash, go into the link in the description down below. You will see what I'm talking about, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Peace out and have a great day.